Welcome to Shripriti Educational online classes. So today we are going to start the next lecture of Photoshop, and in this lecture we are going to see tools in the Photoshop which are present in the toolbox. So take a look. As I told you earlier, the tool which I select, all the options that are related to the tools is showing here. Okay, like here the rectangular marquee tool is selected, so all the options that are related to the rectangular marquee tool are showing here. Now if I want to select the rectangular marquee tool without the mouse, so what I do, I just press the M button from the keyboard, and you also press the M button from your keyboard. Now the move tool, for selecting the move tool, either you press the V button from your keyboard, or by clicking over this tool. And the lasso tool, L, the shortcut key is L. For the crop tool is C. When you click here in this, here you can see I mark here, just a second, this, right? Here you can see this triangle button, right? If you click on this, then so many options that are related to the marquee tool is showing here, showing you. So all this like crop tool, so different types of crop tools are available. Lasso tool, different types of lasso tools are also available. We will look it in a detail in the next slides. Color sample tool, and the shortcut key is I. For the brush tool, shortcut key is B. Healing brush tool, shortcut key is J. Clone sample tool, this is a clone sample tool, and the shortcut key is S. Art history brush tool, shortcut key is Y. Magic eraser tool, E, shortcut key is E. Paint bucket tool, okay. Then blur tool, इसको हम बोलेंगे dodge tool, and the shortcut key is O. Pan tool, shortcut key is P. Rectangle tool, here the rectangle tool is U. Path selection tool is denoted by the arrow, and the shortcut key is A. Horizontal type tool for writing text over to any images or anything for writing purpose, anything this tool is used. Now hand tool, shortcut key is H for moving over to the document. Zoom tool to zoom in, zoom out, and the shortcut key is Z. Editor tool, switch between, here you can see the foreground color. The first one is the foreground color and this last one is the background color. If you want to switch between the background and you can switch between the background and the foreground. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay safe at your home during the coronavirus, and also press the I button for the previous lectures. Thank you.